Hey, and welcome to Crafting with Alice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make friendship bracelets. All you need is some embroidery threads, 2 beads, a clip, and a pair of scissors. Now I've chosen these 4 colours. All you need is take a nice long length, 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go, of each colour. Here's 1. Ooh, this one's not coming out properly. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Ooh, I think I need to get sharp scissors. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can choose any colour you want with the nice bright colours. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now you get your embroidery threads all together. Hopefully they're the same length. Close. Just trim that. Okie dokie, so we have a nice length of different coloured embroidery threads. Just gonna put them together. So we double it. And at the top here, we want to keep a loop. I'm gonna make a nice knot right at the top here. Not too big of a hoop. Start that again. So I want to make a knot right here, not too much, not too big of a hoop. So, yep. Just enough to get these through. There we go. Tight. Okie dokies. And I like to use the top of my cutting board with a clip just to secure it and make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so to make a friendship bracelet, you need to just divide these colours so there's one of each on either side. So it should be, I don't know, blue, pink, green, yellow, and do the same on the opposite side. Blue, pink, green, and yellow. Okay, so we're going to start on this side. Take the blue first. Take the blue first. I want to just put it over like this, and go under the green, and then pull it out, and that's how we make a knot. So you want to do 2 on each thread. 1, 2. There we go. So I'll put the green to one side and move on to the pink. Do the exact same thing. 1, 2. Slowly just going down until we get to the middle. To the yellow. 1, 2. There we go. So just leave that there for a second and we start on this side. Take the blue. That under the green. 1, 2. To one side. Pink. 1, 2. And yellow. 1, 2. There we go. And now that we've got the 2 blue in the middle, to finish this V bit, here. Just gonna do the exact same thing. 1, 2. There we go. Now the blue is in the center. So now we're going to start with the green. Okay, so we have our friendship bracelet. Now all I want to do is add these beads to the bottoms down here. Okay, last little knot. We'll trim off the excess. And we have friendship bracelet. Woohoo! Okay, there we go. There's our friendship bracelets. So if you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and wherever you are, happy crafting!